Here from the Daybird. And here's a papaya. If you haven't heard of these, you could look down in comments.
What is a papaya?
It's a fruit that goes on a tea.
What does it do?
I don't know.
It looks like a giant cucumber.
Yeah, but fat.
What's inside it?
I don't know.
Why don't you know?
You get a knife and cut it open.
You want to get a knife and cut it open?
Yeah. Get through it.
Oh no, she's going to get a knife. Dun, dun, dun. I am scared.
Got a knife.
Catherine is only allowed to use a butter knife. Oh, she's doing it. Uh-oh, she's going to stab it. I know what's in there. I bet some of our YouTube friends know what's in there also.
Seeds! What are these, Dad?
Seeds. Taste one. The seeds taste like black pepper.
I'm cutting this out. I'm cutting the center out.
Oh, I don't think you're supposed to cut it out like that.
Mom.
But look. Let's not do it like that.
Daddy! Mom,
Ew.
look at all these seeds.
You gonna taste it?
No. I'm getting all the seeds out for us.
Look over there. There's Miss Daybird and Daniel. Daniel's washing
Are you
dishes.
taping me?
Am I? Uh-oh. We'll tape Catherine.
Keep on.
Delete the video. The whole thing.
Catherine, you put papayas on the comb.
Huh? What?
Look, let's stop.
Okay.
Look, what are we gonna do with this?
I don't know.
Are we gonna eat this?
You can eat.
Pick one up.
I don't want to. I still have to cut this open.
Look, can I help?
There's still some more seeds down here.
Is this for Wilbur?
That's for Wilbur.
Here's real boy.
Look, we're gonna save all these seeds for the birds.
Okay, I'm trying to get them all out.
Okay. Let's stop this, okay? Look, we're gonna have to cut that up and give it to the birds.
And you cut the bottom off. Because that's where all the seeds are, too. The seeds are at the bottom. There's some seeds. There's a few seeds. So cut this down too. Cut the seed down here.
Okay.
I'm cutting it.
Look, we're gonna have to stop the video. Tell her bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Bye. Leave all your comments down below.
Bye-bye.
Not on any bottom. Down below so my dad can find us.